Welcome to PCIM. I'm Yeva. We're at the Littelfuse booth. Right over here, we have our Thyristor-based Rectifier, which is an innovative solution for space-saving power supply. This charges your applications with megawatts of power in a very succinct and comprehensive package. If you're looking for solutions for your industrial applications, again, we're here to help you from milliwatt to megawatt. Littelfuse has everything across the board. Here's our example of a block diagram for your VFD or auxiliary power supplies. Alongside this, we will offer protection for you. A wide range of semiconductor fuses, solar fuses. Of course, we have the accessories to complement the fuses. Everything for your industrial applications. And the highlight of this year's PCIM is our SMPD Evaluation Kit, just freshly released. Here you can see an example of the different building blocks combined together. The building blocks consist of three-phase current and voltage sensing building block. There's AC pre-charge, there's B6U rectifier, DC link, input protection, and a hub bridge inverter. And what's the coolest thing? Your SMPD device goes under here. Yeah. For availability, contact Littelfuse and we'll get you the files so you can build this in your office.